Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to add a signature to your Gmail account using the Gmail mobile app. Whether you want to include your name, job title, or contact details, setting up a mobile signature is quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to set up the signature for. Once you're inside the app, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Tap on it to open the main menu. Next, scroll down until you find Settings and tap it. This will bring up a list of all the Gmail accounts that are currently connected to your app. If you have more than one Gmail account, select the specific one you want to add the signature to. Now that you're inside that account's settings, scroll down the list of options until you see Mobile Signature. Tap on it, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can type your custom signature text. Here, you can add your name, business information, website, or any message you'd like to appear at the bottom of every email you send from your phone. Take a moment to type it in exactly how you want it to look. You can also add line breaks or short phrases to make it more personal or professional. Keep in mind that the mobile signature only applies to emails you send from the Gmail app on your phone, not from your desktop. Once you're happy with what you've typed, tap OK or Save at the top of the screen. That's it. From now on, every time you send an email from your mobile Gmail app, your new signature will automatically appear at the bottom of your message. And there you have it, your personalized signature is now added to your Gmail mobile app. It's a simple step that can make your emails look more polished and professional. Thanks for watching.